Welcome to our channel, where we explore the future of technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we dive into a pressing question. Will AI robots replace us at work? The rise of AI in the workplace. AI and robots are becoming increasingly common in the workplace. From manufacturing to healthcare, these machines are performing tasks that once required human hands and minds. Companies are investing billions in AI technology to improve efficiency and reduce costs. But what does this mean for the human workforce? Jobs most affected by AI. Not all jobs are equally affected by AI. Roles that involve repetitive tasks and data processing are at the highest risk of being automated. However, jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving are less likely to be replaced. AI excels at routine tasks, but struggles with tasks that require human intuition and empathy. Potential benefits and drawbacks. The integration of AI in the workplace comes with both benefits and drawbacks. On the plus side, AI can enhance productivity, reduce human error, and take on dangerous tasks. However, there's a significant downside: the potential for widespread job displacement. The key challenge lies in how society will manage this transition. Preparing for the future. To prepare for an AI-driven future, individuals and organizations must adapt. Continuous learning, upskilling, and focusing on uniquely human skills will be crucial. Companies should invest in training programs to help their workforce transition into new roles that complement AI technology. While AI will undoubtedly change the landscape of work, it doesn't have to be a future where humans are replaced. Instead, we can look forward to a world where humans and AI work together to achieve greater heights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the future of technology.